Hello all, it's Sharon. So in today's video I just wanted to share with you all this new art area and homeschool area that I'm going to be setting up for Nate. So this is mainly where we kept our art supplies and stuff, but right now I'm changing it over. So we have this cork little board here that I'm going to be using for homeschool. We have this old little Melissa and Doug magnetic calendar, which I have a new one, so I'm probably going to donate this one. We have some pockets here on the wall that we used to use for homeschool a lot, where we keep like daily books. There's an art cart over here, and as you come down below there is this desk and some other art supplies. So I'm going to be reorganizing this. This will be Nate's new desk. I'm going to put a shelf here with like his daily books. We have the IKEA easel here, so we can use it as a dry erase, or we can pull it out from the table and use it in the kitchen. But yeah, I'm going to be redoing this whole area right now, and I just thought I would film it and show you what we're going to be using for a setup for his grade 1 school year. So yeah, I brought this shelf out, and now the top of this has broken off a long time. Nate does not want to get rid of this. He's had this since he was a baby. It has his name all the way down and some other stickers on the other side. So this is kind of perfect for homeschool, because we have taller things, they'll come at the top, especially books. I can put them this way as I add more. And then I put the Bob books down here, and there's another shelf at the bottom for more stuff. And I just got some white baskets from the Dollar Tree that I can add on here. So yeah, I just have to put away all these art supplies that I took off this table and organize this some more. So I'm kind of going to do this as a mini series, I guess. So this is, I guess, part 1. So stay tuned next week for part 2. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care and have a wonderful day.